Hi friends, this recipe for sweet currant rolls and chocolate buns is very simple. The result is soft and fluffy sweet dinner rolls that are so easy to make from scratch. Baking with yeast can be simple, and you will cook this lunch sweet roll recipe over and over again. Top with sugar nuts and sesame seeds and they're perfect for weekday dinners or holiday lunches. Light homemade buns for dinner. It is very easy. Currants are very healthy berries because they are an excellent source of fiber and a good source of vitamin C. Fiber aids our digestion and can help keep us full. Vitamin C is ascorbic acid. It is an antioxidant that helps humans absorb iron from plant foods. Vitamin C helps maintain good immunity. Baking bread and rolls from scratch are easier than you might think. I recommend using active fast-growing yeast. There's nothing like a warm sweet lunchtime bun, straight out of the oven. And I used butter right in the dough. It must be a great bread recipe. How to make dinner buns. Yeast baking is easier than you think. Sweet yeast dough will rise in a warm place in just 30 minutes. Currant buns and chocolate buns should be doubled in size before baking. Once the buns have doubled in size, brush them with egg water and simply bake them in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Your house will smell great, no kidding. Sweet chocolate buns are best served warm for dinner. They are fluffy and chewy, just like you want your lunch roll recipe to be. This sweet currant roll recipe should not be reserved for special occasions. Once you cook them, you will see how easy it is to bake yeast. I wrote a detailed recipe in the description for the video. If you do, give me a like down below to let me so that I know the buns you like. Enjoy your meal. See you soon.